This week's mission, we are out in Schley County, Georgia, on a family farm where pigs have been rooting up food plots and causing extensive damage. We received a call from the property owner on May 5th. I placed my feeder and camera out, but we don't see any activity until the 13th, and the pigs feed for almost half an hour. For whatever reason, our sounder disappeared for almost a month. At 21:04, I get a notification on my phone. I pull up the JAGER PRO app, press the live stream button, and hit record. The next morning at 9:38, our sounder is back and enjoying breakfast. The sounder doesn't show on the morning of the 7th, but they do return that evening. They follow this behavior for the next night as well. On the 9th, the sounder shows up early. For the next 3 days, they follow this trend, showing up anywhere between 7:30 and 10 a.m., and they spend quite a bit of time at our bait site. I believe I've seen all I need to. 11 is our target package. I do a test drop, lift the gate, insert the safety pin, and Pierce and I bait 4 to 6 feet away from the gate. At 17:52, I get a notification, but I was busy doing something and I missed it. This could have potentially ruined my whole capture. As you see in the video, something spooked our piglets, and they ran as hard as they could into our panels. 9 times out of 10, this means disaster and starting the process completely over. The next day after lunch, I get a notification. I pull up my JAGER PRO app, I pull up the live stream, and I hit record. I notice that our little black pig that is always the last to leave has made his way into our trap, and he can't find the exit. This gives me some hope that maybe the others will come back. The 2 sows and the little black pig are in the trap. Well, those will be the hardest 2 to convince to enter, but where's the rest of the sounder? 2 minutes later, our juveniles rush through the gate to get their share of the buffet. I'll wait until they are all safe distance inside the trap and send the drop gate command. Within an hour and a half, Pierce and I are on site dispatching the pigs. After dispatching, we line them up dress right dress and snap a picture for our and the landowner's records.
Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment, learn more about integrated wild pig control methods, or locate our nearest authorized dealers. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view the entire instructional video series, or like our Facebook page. If you have a segment idea, or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.